Hi folks, welcome back for another video. It's been some time since we have seen. So today I'll be sharing one of my bad experience that happened to me last week. I hit a dog with my car. Everything was recorded on my dash cam. I was maintaining a normal speed and out of nowhere the dog came just in front of my car and I didn't have any reaction time to stop my car in time. So I had no other go, I had to hit the dog. So let's get straight into the video and see what happened.
This is what happened. I overtook a car, and when I was coming back to my side of the lane, the dog just started sprinting from the right side of the road to the left side. I couldn't do much. I just hit the brakes, but it was not sufficient to stop the car. I could see the dog lying dead on the road in my rear view mirrors. Not the exact way you want to start your day. What I was really afraid was it should not have damaged my radiator. One of my friends with his Sandro once hit a dog, and then he has to completely change the radiator setup. But luckily for me, nothing like that sort of thing happened. The better ground clearance of the Creta ensured that nothing like that sort of thing happened. I drove for another 10 minutes and then stopped my car and checked the engine compartment for any damages. There was no visible damages in the car. Once again, after reaching my destination, I inspected the front bumper of the car. There was no visible damages or scratches on the car. So after this incident, what I felt was that how good a driver you are, in some situations, there is nothing we can do. In this situation, I could have braked further harder, but then again I risked the chance of getting rear-ended by the car which I just overtook. So hard braking was not an option for me here. So my advice would be, never panic in such situations. It may lead to fatal consequences. No, I am not doing that again. Almost another close call. Here I had the time and space to avoid hitting the dog, which was not the case 2 minutes ago.
So what I believe is, even for the most experienced drivers, it is very difficult to avoid such situations. Please share in the comment section if you have been into any such similar situations. Thanks for watching, guys.